Dear students, in the last class we have already studied about the definition of integration and its concept and also basic formulas regarding the integration. Today in this session we are going to deal with the rules of integration. First one, integral k into f of x into dx is equal to the k integral f of x into dx, where k is any constant, f of x is a function. So we write k outside integral f of x into dx. Let us have an example. Integral 5 into x power 5 into dx. If we compare with the standard, we came to know here the constant is 5 and the function is x power 5. So we can write this one as 5 outside integral x power 5 into dx. So integration of x power 5 into dx, this is of the form x power n. So what is the integration of x power n into dx? So we know x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. C is the arbitrary constant. 5 into, in the place of n we have 5. X power 5 plus 1 divided by 5 plus 1 plus c. 5 plus 1 6, x power 6 divided by 6 plus c. Had you got it? Any doubt regarding this example? Look another example. Integral 10 sin x into dx. So here the constant is k is 10 and the function given is sin x. So we write 10 outside integral sin x into dx. 10. What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x. Minus cos x plus c. Any doubt? Now we see the sum rule. What it says? Integral f1 of x plus f2 of x into dx. We write integral f1 of x into dx plus integral f2 of x into dx. Here we split the functions as two separate functions. Example, integral x power 5 plus secant square x into dx. Here in this problem we have two functions. X power 5 is one function and secant square x is the another function. So we write this one as integral x power 5 into dx plus integral secant square x into dx. X power 5 integration x power n formula. So x power n plus 1. Here in the place of n we have 5. X power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus integration of secant square x tan x. Tan x plus c. X power 6 divided by 6 plus tan x plus c. Had you got it? Yeah. Take another example. Sin x plus e power x into dx. So here also sin x is one function, e power x is another function. So we can split these functions as two separate functions. So integral sin x into dx plus integral e power x into dx. What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x. Minus cos x plus integration of e power x. E power x itself. E power x plus c. Any doubts, students? So, now we study the product formula. Product formula is also called Bernoulli's rule. What it says? Integral u v into dx. If we have the product of two functions, then we write u into v1 plus u dash v2 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3. Here u is the given function, but what is v1? v1 means integration of v. So if we integrate v with respect to dx, we get v1. So if we need v2, then we integrate v1 with respect to x. So if we need v3, we integrate v2 with respect to x. So then we get v3. Here u dash means differentiation of u with respect to x. Differentiation of u with respect to x, then we get u dash. Suppose u dash means differentiation of u dash with respect to x, then we get u double dash. Let us have an example. Integral x sin x into dx. Here x is one function, sin x is another function. So if we can apply product rule. So here x we can take and consider as u, sin x we can consider as v. So what the formula says? U into v1 minus u dash into v2 plus u double dash into v3. So first we need to find u dash. U dash means differentiation of u with respect to x. U given function is x. So u dash equals to dx by dx. That means we know that x with respect to x differentiation is 1. So next v equals to sin x. So next we need v1. v1 means integration of v into dx. That means integration of sin x into dx. So integration of sin x is minus cos x. Next we need to find v2. v2 means integration of v1 into dx. So v1 means minus cos x into dx. So integration of cos x, sin x, minus sin x. So we substitute in the formula. Here u means x, v1 means cos x minus cos x minus u dash means 1 and v2 means minus sin x. So minus x cos x minus into minus plus sin x. Any doubts, students? So we take another example. Integration x square into e power x into dx. Integration x square into e power x into dx. Here we can consider x square as one function u and e power x as another function v. So here we need to find u dash, u double dash So V1, V2, V3. So consider u equals to x square. So if we need to find u dash, that means the differentiation of x square. What is the differentiation of x square? 2x. So next we need to find u double dash. That means here the constant 2 written outside. So differentiation of x with respect to x is 1. That means 2. So v equals to e power x. So if we want to find v1, that means integration of e power x into with respect to dx. So integration of e power x is e power x square. v2 equals to, so v2 means integration of v1. What is the integration of v1? E power x. E power x. So e power x into dx. So integration of e power x is e power x. So if we need to find v3, v3 means integration of v2 with respect to dx. That is e power x with respect to dx. So integration of e power x is e power x itself. So we substitute in the formula. U means x square, v1 means e power x minus u dash means 2x. So next v2 means e power x plus u double dash means 2 v3 means e power x. Any doubt?